Dear friends, ever felt like you were meant for more? Not more stuff, more meaning, more sky, more freedom. Meet Jonathan, a seagull who refused to just eat, sleep, repeat. While others stayed low, he dared to fly high, not for survival, but for the love of flying. He crashed many times. He was mocked by others. He was cast out. But he kept flying, higher, faster, and free. Jonathan Livingston Seagull by Richard Bach isn't just a story, it's a mirror. It asks, what are you willing to chase even if no one else understands? If you ever felt different, like your dreams have wings, this book might just set them free.